Hi Barney's Guitarists, here are a few options to playing some electric guitar parts for Glorious Things of You Are Spoken in the key of E. It starts with this vamp and as an intro through four chords, this progression through four chords there. An E chord, I'm going to play it like a D chord but moved up 2 frets, except I'm just going to play the top 2 strings. I'm going to just concentrate on the B and E strings for a little part I want to show you here, but it's using these 3-note voicings on the top 3 strings, even if we're only playing the 2 notes. So here's the E chord, the B note, the E note, the G sharp note, and then I'm going to think about an A triad like this on the 5th, and the 6th, A, E, C sharp. I'm just going to play the top 2 notes of the E chord to the top 2 notes of the A chord, so it goes from 5th on the B, 4th on the E for the E chord, then to both on the 5th fret for the A over E chord, back to the original for the E over G sharp chord, which is just the E notes, and then when we go to the B sus4, we're going to keep that E note again there underneath everything, and then drop that G sharp back to an F sharp, which makes the 5th and the 4th of the B sus4 a bit tense by itself, but in context and with the band there it won't sound so crazy. And then drop that E down to the D sharp on the second half of the bar, because that's what the chord does. It goes from the B sus4 to the B. So it'll be like this: E chord, oh, sorry, my mistake, E to A to E to B sus4 to B. Okay, that pretty much is what's going on in the start of the verse as well. For the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. When it gets to the second half, starts off the same way, goes E, then to an A. It's here on the chart, A sus2. Just thinking more like an A chord is fine at that point. There's the top 2 notes of that A chord, so making an A. Then we're back to an E. Then second half of bar 15, the original has G sharp minor. We've changed that more to be G sharp major, or G sharp 7th even. And I think the easiest way for us to outline that is just to move everything there up several frets, so that it's at the G sharp note, 9th fret on the B string, and the C note, C natural note there, on the 8th fret on the E string. And then we go up another 1 fret once we've played that to the A chord. So from bar 15 through 16 it goes. Now feel also free to potentially there add the note from that shape on the G string. So for mine, it's one of the hippest parts of the harmonies in that song. And then we're back to bar 17, an E chord again, to a B, top 2 notes of a B chord. I mean, you can again move that up to probably that shape there is the simplest way. Yeah, let's go for that. E, B. Now, top 2 notes of the descending line from bar 19, I'm going to go follow the, here's an A chord, I'm just going to play the top 2 notes. Then here's an E chord, a shape where it comes from the top 3 notes of this E chord. Then the F sharp minor, which is that D minor shape, moved up to the root note on the 7th fret, F sharp. And then heading further down, B sus4 to the B, which actually there should be a B chord on like beat 4 of bar 20, because the melody, oh well, you know, you can get away with staying on the B sus4 probably, but back to the E, to the A, like we did at the intro. Yep. So it's all on those top 2 strings, my little recommendation here. Hopefully that's useful, and let us know if you'd like more information. Thanks for all your hard work, Barneys. Cheers.